Puri district level agricultural machinery and agricultural festival 2023 was held. The 4th district level agricultural machinery fair and agricultural festival 2023 at Puri Sadarda Valley was inaugurated on Tuesday and concluded with a grand ceremony on Friday. Chairman was the chief guest in this event, while Mr. Swapnarani Swai, the Jilla Parishad Puri, has inaugurated the fair and in her speech expressed the opinion that this fair can be helpful for the improvement of agricultural and farmers. Many self-help groups and farmers of the Puri district participated in this fair. The present official and guest gave information about the farmers' agricultural work by adopting various modern agricultural tools, machinery, and natural pesticide and fertilizer, scientific method, and the equipment and the concession available at this fair. School and Mass Education Minister Mr. Samiranjan Das, Puri District Collector Mr. Samath Verma, Sports Minister Mr. Tusharkanta Behera, Satyavadi Block Chairman Mr. Sunil Kumar Ponda, Deputy Director of Agriculture Mr. Manjula Tripathi, and Delang Block Atma Chairman Minati Senapati, and all the agricultural officers of the Puri District attended the event. Reported by Punnananda Tripathi from Satyavadi.
आमर बेस्ट अवार्ड जोटा गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर रही प्रथम द्वितीय और तृतीय स्थान जो मैंने अधिकार कर नाम डाकिबी केंद्र पुरी तृतीय पुरस्कार ग्रहण करुछंती
I am Dr. Sanjay Kumar Mohanty, working as senior scientist and head in Krishi Vigyan Kendra Puri. Today we have participated in the district level exhibition organized at Sadarda Valley, and you are seeing that different products we have exhibited, starting from different species of poultry, and you see that Kadaknath and Banaraja, Giriraja, and different species of duckry, the khaki Campbell, white Pekin, and Japanese quail. And quail, all these we are demonstrating in the farmers field, and then we are popularizing among the farmers and they are getting benefit out of it. Also we are giving more focus on pisciculture, and you see that different species of pisciculture we are demonstrating in farmers field and popularizing it, and farmers are getting profit out of it. In addition to Indian major crops, that is Rohu, Katla, Mirgal, we are also advocating that Amur carp bottom feeder, improved Katla, Jayanti Rihu, the new varieties of fish. Also we are promoting that prawn in farmers field. In addition to this, we are also giving focus on natural farming, and we have highlighted most of our products. We are starting from mango grafts, then guava seedlings, then papaya, then drumstick. All these seedlings we have exhibited here, so that farmer will see that what are the different varieties which are performing better, so that they can go for that variety and they will get more profit out of it. In addition to that, we are also giving more focus on natural farming. You know that as on today, and we are facing a lot of difficulties due to inorganic farming, in which we are dumping huge quantities of pesticides, fertilizers. Now we are being suffered from different types of diseases. So now now it is a awareness campaign is being organized all over the district on natural farming, and this exhibition will continue up to 4 days, and we will simply have one diagnostic clinic in which farmers will meet us, and they will diagnose their problem and will give suggestions what to do. Thank you.
मैं डॉक्टर अंबिका प्रसाद नायक, मैं मत्स्य फिशरी साइंटिस्ट के तौर से कृषि विज्ञान केंद्र पुरी में काम कर रहा हूँ। हमारा यहाँ आप जो देख रहे हैं, यहाँ हमारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल का एक किसान मेला चल रहा है। इसमें हम पार्टिसिपेट किए हुए हैं कृषि विज्ञान केंद्र पुरी साखी गोपाल। तो हमारा जो शो केस यहाँ कर रहे हैं, तो हमारा डिफरेंट वेराइटीज़ पोल्ट्री बर्ड्स, जैसे कि आपका कड़कनाथ जो देसी बर्ड है उसको भी हम प्रमोट कर रहे हैं। इसके बाद जो डॉग्स का वेराइटी है, जो मीट पर्पज़ के लिए जो डॉग होता है वाइट पेकिन, उसको भी हम प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, उसको भी शो केस किए हुए हैं इधर। और जो खाकी कैम्बेल है, जो अंडे देते हैं ज़्यादातर, साल में साल भर अंडे देते हैं, वो टाइप का जो डॉग है, बतख है, उसको भी हम शो केस किए हुए हैं। इसके बाद छोटा पोल्ट्री के हिसाब से हमारा जो कोयल, जापानीज़ कोयल, उसका भी हम यहाँ दिखाए हैं, हमारा जो स्टॉल है उसमें दिखाए हैं। उसके बाद बहुत सारे हमारा जो कल्टिवेबल फिश स्पेसीज है, मछली का जो स्पेसीज है, वो स्पेसीज को भी हम यहाँ रखे हैं एक्वेरियम में। जैसे कि हमारा इम्प्रूव काटला हुआ, जयंती रोहू हुआ, एमूर काप हुआ, जो जेनेटिकली इम्प्रूव्ड फिशेस हैं उनको हम जो पैदावार बढ़ाने के लिए मछली का तालाब में हम यहाँ शोकेस किए हुए हैं। उसके बाद हमारा जो झींगा होता है, फ्रेश वाटर प्रॉन, और ग्रास कार्प और सिल्वर कार्प और मृगाल जो बटन फीडर होता है उसको भी शोकेस किए हुए हैं। और हमारा यहाँ नेचुरल फार्मिंग का भी एक मॉडल रखे हुए हैं। नेचुरल फार्मिंग अभी बहुत सरकार चाहते हैं कि इसको ज़्यादा प्रचार प्रसार किया जाए, तो उसका भी हम एक डेमो किए हुए हैं इधर। और हमारा जो डिफरेंट ग्राफ्ट्स होता है, जो फ्रूट प्लांट का और जो डेकोरेटिव प्लांट का, उसको भी सेलिंग के लिए इधर रखा हुआ है। फ्रूट प्लांट में हमारा पपैया, डिफरेंट वेराइटी पपैया, जो रांची ड्वार्फ और कुर्ग हनीड्यू, वो जो वेराइटी का पपैया है, उसको भी हम सेल के लिए इधर रखे हैं, बहुत सारे ग्राफ्ट्स और सप्लिंग्स। तो इसको भी हम फार्मर्स को भेजेंगे। तो ये सबसे बड़ा अच्छा चीज़ ये है कि कृषि विज्ञान केंद्र हमारा जो जिले का हर जो फार्मर्स और फार्म वुमेन रहते हैं, उनका जो खेती का कार्यक्रम होता है, उसमें उनका कैसे पैदावार बढ़ेगा, उसके लिए हम ट्राई कर रहे हैं। तो उसको हर चीज़ जो टेक्नोलॉजी होता है वो हम इधर शोकेस कर रहे हैं। तो
नमस्कार, I am Dr. Deepsika Paramjita, working as scientist agriculture engineering in Krishi Vigyan Kendra Puri. This is the implement fair which you have seen, and we are demonstrating a lot of implements here, starting from sowing and land preparation to up to harvesting. And basically new implements are this year. New implements have come up, like combine harvester, holster combine, and tractor and holster thresher have come up, and also many land preparation implement like weeding implement, which is doing all the operations starting from puddling, hoeing and pumping of water, and also the harvesting of crops. So this is the agriculture engineering era has come, because by use of farm implements we can reduce the cost of cultivation, and also we can lessen the time of operation, and we can get more yield. And by also doubling the farmers' income, the role of farm implements also play a major role in doubling the farmers' income. So all types of implements are displayed here, and from Krishi Vigyan Kendra also we are demonstrating new implements in covering all the 11 blocks of the district. We are presently working on the tractor done rectangular baler and square baler, and also the straw providing machine, which will provide the straw for mushroom cultivation and also for making of house. And many entrepreneurs have come up to establish custom hiring center, providing combine harvester and all types of small implements. And also we have developed many SAGs. Those are establishing mini custom hiring center in their area, so that many drudgery reduction implement can be hired by the women for their day-to-day agricultural operations. Thank you. ठीक है।